Welcome to Gateway Church. We want you to understand the heart of Gateway and how it relates to you and the way we serve our guests. Gateway's purpose is to help people develop an intimate relationship with God. To fulfill this purpose, our vision is to see people saved, healed, set free, discipled, equipped, empowered, and serving. Gateway's mission is to help each person believe in Jesus, belong to a family, become a follower, and build God's kingdom. As a Gateway Church team member, you have responsibilities to the church, your fellow team members, and your manager. These include arriving on time, being ready to work and putting in a full work day, committing to living out a biblical lifestyle 24 hours a day, treating team members with kindness and respect, and working with your manager to address problems or concerns. The most effective method for resolving a problem is discussing it with your manager. If you feel you have not been treated in line with church policy, we encourage you to bring it to your oversight. We are here to help. Colossians 3:22 through 25 reminds us to work diligently for our real master, God. Do your best, work from the heart, and remember that being a follower of Jesus doesn't excuse poor work. Our social covenant sets Gateway apart from many work environments and creates a place where you will want to come to work. We commit to love, value, respect, and protect each other. We choose to fully invest in relationships by listening to each other, encouraging and affirming each other, offering, soliciting, and receiving honest feedback, believing the best motives, resolving conflict with forgiveness and reconciliation, being vulnerable and teachable with each other, and reproducing ourselves in others. We also choose to empower relationships fully by trusting each other within healthy boundaries, challenging constraints and engaging in healthy confrontation, developing potential in each other which results in personal growth, walking in unity with grace and truth, focusing on the tasks at hand, being accountable to produce fruitful returns, and extending the opportunity to dream and have fun. As you wrap up this part of your orientation, remember these things. Your role at Gateway helps others develop their relationship with Christ. Strive to live biblically and follow our social covenant to foster the best possible work environment. We are excited to have you on our team and are here to support you in every way we can. Thank you for completing this first step in your Gateway training. We look forward to serving alongside you.